everyone, welcome to Sri Lankan Spicy Cuisine. Today I'm going to make you spicy kingfish curry. That's a Sri Lankan traditional way. It's going to be a little bit spicy, but let's see how we're going to cook that one. So first of all, we're having a kingfish here, 4 pieces of kingfish. We got chopped garlic, chopped ginger, Sri Lankan curry leaves, chopped tomato, onions, red onion, green chilies, and we have a black pepper powder, curry powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, mustard seed, and salt. Of course, we have oil in here. Okay, let's marinate our kingfish. First, I'm going to add black pepper powder. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then I'm going to add curry powder, also 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder, half of teaspoon. Then the spiciest one, chili powder. So I'm going to add 3 spoons. Some of the salt. You can add depend of your flavor. And I'm going to add a little bit garlic, just a bit. That's it. So I'm going to mix it well. You can see now I have marinated our fish very well. All the spices been added to our fish. So let's keep this one in the fridge for half an hour. The reason why we are keeping in the fridge our marinated fish, the fish can absorb all the spices while resting in the fridge. I have taken out our fish. So as you can see, the fish is well marinated. So let's cook our spicy fish curry right now. I have heated the pan. So I'm going to add cooking oil. Two spoons of cooking oil. So the oil is heated. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. Be careful while you're cooking the mustard seed. Then I'm going to add some chili powder again. In this one, as a Sri Lankan, I prefer to have more spices. But for you, if you don't like much spicy, you can reduce by half all the ingredients which I given you. So cook it a little bit. Then you can add your ginger and the garlic. Again mix it well. And I'm going to add some curry leaves. Now I'm adding some water here. Not much water, just a little bit. Now I am adding our chopped tomatoes and our onion. I'm going to add a little bit more salt. Of course, it's as my flavor. Just you can decide by yourself how much salt you're going to add. So I'm mixing this very well and let it cook for few more minutes. So as you can see, all the mixture is getting cooked very well, and you will feel a nice aroma, very flavorful aroma. I really like to inhale this one, really nice. Okay, I'm going to add our marinated kingfish. So here you will see there are some remaining spices. I'm going to add some water here and I mix it, and I will pour into our fish curry. First I'm going to mix a little bit this one. Okay, as you see, I wash my bowl, so remaining of the spices with the water. So it will be very useful to use your hand to mix this water, so it's easier. I'm going to add water here. And I will mix it. Don't put the spoon right now because the fish can be damaged. So by using your hands, you can move your pot like this. So it is well mixed. Now I'm going to add my green chili. Again, I'm going to mix this one. So we are going to cook this one until it getting boiled. Probably 10 minutes, maximum 10 minutes would be fine because of the fish getting cooked very fast. Wow, it really look amazing. So it's getting boiled right now. So I'm going to mix it again. Wow, this is awesome. The spices are well balanced. I really like this taste. Everybody was wondering why I used my hand to taste the curry, because this is a traditional way how you taste your food. Okay, our fish curry is already cooked. I'm going to do the final touch up. So I have a fresh curry leaves here. I'm going to add the curry leaves into my curry. Okay, our Sri Lankan spicy special fish curry is ready to eat. This will be well goes with the steamed white rice. or a piece of bread. When following my recipe, you can cook at your home the Sri Lankan spicy fish curry. Please follow Sri Lankan spicy cuisine on YouTube. Subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get the latest recipes. And we are also on Instagram. Hope you enjoyed our cuisine.